Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the size book of text in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your video and select the type tool and click on your video to create your text. Once you have typed something, make sure the text layer is selected in your timeline. Now in the program monitor, click on your text. You will see bounding box appear around. To resize the text box, drag the corner and edges of the box to make the width taller and smaller. If you don't see the box, open Essential Graphic Panel. Under the Edit tab, make sure Select Text Layer is active. You can manually adjust the box size and reposition your text as needed. And that's how you can change the size of text box easily in Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.